Hey, Steve Champagne here. In today's Google Ninja hack video, I want to give you a hack where you can actually edit out the images associated with the marketing hack that we did recently for push notifications, okay? Just below this video, you're gonna see 3 links. The first link is gonna take you out to this image, all right? And then it's going to take you out to this image, and then the third link will take you out to here. So if you're not using WordPress and you would like to host the image on some free hosting, this is where I've hosted the images. But if you're on WordPress, I highly recommend that you put your images in your own media library and just take the URL and change it out inside the widget. So without further ado, let's get right into this. Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do is actually make copies of both this image and this image and put it into your Google Drive. So you'll definitely need to have a Google account and have access to Google Drive. To make a copy of this, what you need to do is go up to File and hit Make Copy. As soon as you do that, it's going to generate another copy for you and put it in your Google Drive, and that's what's happening now. And now what's happening is I'm getting an editable image. Now, what is editable here is the text here, right, and the button text. And so I want to make this say hacks, okay, and training instead of training and updates. That's just for me, okay? And yes, send me more hacks. So this way, I made this real easy for you to do. I do a lot, by the way, with Google presentations. Over the next several weeks, I'll be showing you exactly how I use Google Slides. I use it more than just creating presentations. I build whole websites with this particular program too, and I'll be showing you how to do that. So here we are, is that it's all changed. Now, the rest of this is actually a background, okay? So if you want to change that, you'll have to go up to background here and change that out. But that will be part of another training I'll do sometime in the future. So that image is changed out. All I have to do now is go to the file, and then I want to download this as a PNG. Okay? What's happening now is I'm just going to save it to my desktop. As you can see how messy that is. And let me just open that real quickly. And you can see here it is. Now this is a transparent PNG, so depending upon what your background is, maybe your background is some other color or something like that, you'll be able to match the background pretty nicely. You're going to have to repeat the process with this image if you want to change out the copy. So let's say I want to, again, change out the copy of this. I'm going to go make copy. I'm going to make a copy to my drive. And now what I'm going to do is type in receive new hacks and training alerts. All right, so now I've changed the text. Again, this is all of the background. What you can change is what's in black here. Then I just go over to here. I'm going to go download, and now I'm going to save it as a PNG down to my desktop. So now I have these 2 images. Now where can I host these images? One, I can host them up here, right? And so let's just take this and move that up here real quickly just to show you how we can do that. I'm just going to drag it here, and I'm going to say no. I'm going to hit upload. And then what I need to do is grab this direct link right here to the image. I'll copy that. Now all I have to do is go over to my widgets. And now this was for the notification one right here. I already have something in here. So what you would do here is look for your image tag here. And you want to pretty much replace all of this copy right here, okay, with that link. Now if you had your images hosted, as I'm hosting this particular image right now, in my on my server right here, if you look at this image source, you can see it's hosted here. So how do you get this? Okay, well, you definitely upload your images to your library. So you go to your library, and here's that image. I'm going to click on it, and there's the URL to it right there. Just highlight it, Control C, And then what I do is go back over to widgets. Okay. Go over to that widget that we created in the previous training, and again highlight it, change out, and save it. And that's how easy it is to customize the images if you don't want to use the default images that we did in the previous training. Now, if you think this is a really cool hack, do me a favor, okay? And just below at the bottom of this page, please give us a star rating of this hack, whether it's a 1, hopefully it's better than a 1. And if it's great as a 5, well then they'll tell us it's a 5. Because what we'll be doing is compiling all the best hacks from everybody, and we'll be creating a new category called the best hacks. So for folks that are coming in later on, they'll be able to see some of the best hacks that were rated by the users of this website. And finally, if you haven't signed up for notifications yet, please do, either at the end of this video or over to the buttons on the left hand of this website. Thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you in another training. Take care. Bye-bye.